Che ho fatto? Perché si è fermato? Ah, si c'è bloccato sicuro. Terrible ping. Ugh.
Okay. 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 Well, thank you. Okay. Bye bye.
Ciao Maurizio. La caccia non si può fare, i server non funzionano. Come gioco. Gioco di grotto stasera. Oh, è un tigre.
Quando il tipo giusto arriva nel momento sbagliato.
Oh, sta correndo. Faccio un gioco difficile.
Okay. 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 Well, thank you. Okay. Bye bye.
Edward. Ciao, un bacio, grazie mille. Andiamo su Breakfast. Perché i server di Hunt non so che cazzo hanno, forse stanno caricando gli update, non lo so. Minchia, parte sto gioco o non parte? Ciao Edoc, come stai? Parte sta minchia di gioco o non parte? Se non vuole partire, come parti? Oh Cristo. Parti. Delle minchiate stasera. I server di Hunt. Sta merda di gioco che non parte. Ora proprio non parte. Va bene, la testa gli ha detto che non deve partire. E stop. Vabbè, che apriamo. Cazzo succede? Dai, che cazzo, però, ma perché? Cioè, che cosa, che sta minchia? Gioco. Io sto. Guardate che non ce n'è ieri. desktop. Cazzo. Capito che cazzo è successo? A chiuderlo non faccio un cazzo. Lo riapro, il gioco non parte. Vabbè, abbiamo capito. UFC, però mi sta dicendo gioca UFC, va? Fottitene, gioca UFC. Se faccio partire un altro gioco, come così? Aspetta, prima proviamo lui di nuovo. Cioè, che si sono passi. Dove? Vado. Gioca. Cazzo, non funziona un cazzo. Gioca. Medium funziona? E perché Breakfast no, scusa? Cazzo c'ha di diverso? Medium parte, Breakfast no. Sappiamo perché. Ma io non voglio giocare The Medium, mi scazzo adesso. Gioco UFC a sto punto. Visualizzo dettagli e i dettagli sono questi. Ma proprio non parte, c'è qualcosa da dover verificare. Verificare i file. Cazzo, mi sa che mi tocca disinstallarlo e reinstallarlo sicuramente. So che non c'è un modo. Non parte e basta. Tocca disinstallare. Niente, c'è qualcosa degli aggiornamenti. Installati, coda. Solo questo. Cazzo. Nessun gioco con errori peraltro mi dice. Ma che cazzo. La mia raccolta, sta minchia, installato, non parte. Cazzo te lo spieghi? Affanculo, va. Vabbè, Xbox è già acceso. Che ci volevo giocare dal PC che mi va a 60 fps, si vede anche meglio. Ma mi sa che in questa Xbox non ce l'ho manco installata Breakfast. No, ce l'ho installata sull'altra. In cucina, no, qua non l'ho messo perché ce l'avevo su PC, ho detto fanculo. Niente, UFC, basta, tutto porta a UFC. Facciamo UFC. zuffa.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
A me mi giro backup. Mamma mia, quanti caricamenti, andiamo a vedere. Iniziamo con incontri veloci e poi vediamo, magari andiamo in ranked, vediamo. Prego il giovane. Dipende che non sia alto, vai. Vai. Parcheggio del Carrefour siamo. Ai. Ai, che volevo schivare invece l'ho presa. Ai, che pestone, oh. Sono a zero stamina sono. Ai. Sono stretto. Vai, come non gli faccio niente. Lo portiamo un attimo a terra, vediamo com'è. va bene, va bene. Nuovo parcheggio. Ai. Ah, perché faccio ste minchiate? Perché faccio ste minchiate? Mi fece fottere. Mi fece fregare. Ah, che succede? È finita. Attorno, quindi ce l'avevo venuto di fare sta minchiata, attorno a cominciare a fare sta minchiata e un incontro si blocca come così. Stasera fa una serata proprio di merda, che cazzo è? Un po' di ore niente. E che non funziona, l'altro non funziona, e che si stacca, l'altro si stacca, mi stanno gettando davanti.
Still dangerous, goodness gracious, move like the Gracie brothers. Don't pay me something, fed everybody, they don't say me nothing. Go back to the bone from fetus, that man move misleading. Choco, check if he's breathing. Nah, Jeff, I don't think he's breathing. Gully bop, then weave, man leaning. Last man that tried, they're fleeking. Don't talk too much, no more speaking. Man pre-man, man still scheming. No threats to protect man cleaners, creep them, beat it, catch man sleeping. So the beefing thing's not needed, but I had big man turn cheap.
Io, Masha, Masco. Ogni con questo ci ricordo già ci hai perso le volte, sparte.
Everybody takes shots at me. I got 101 ops on me. Auto response on office leave. Planted season to blossom trees. Wiping smiles off the face.
Sto forte. Sto masacra forte.
Coming up next, it's a featherweight matchup between Max Holloway and Yair Rodriguez. All right, so here we go with round one. Seems to be a situation in which he wants to do everything in his power to keep this fight on the feet. He'd appear to have a lot of advantages at distance. We'll see if he can get it done tonight.
Yes, he has all the advantages because we don't see many specialists anymore in the UFC. Guys can generally do everything, but this guy is a jiu-jitsu player. He wants to get the fight to the ground and start to weave his web of traps to try and find a submission. This striker needs to maintain his space. He needs to make sure he is not on the ground. Avoid it at all costs.
Holloway gets caught with that punch. Not the easiest guy in the world to hit, but he got caught there. Oh, he tags him with the straight hand there. Nice job by Rodriguez. Well, you're starting to see the damage now, bleeding from his cheek. Went for the inside leg kick.
As he gets close, he's out of the kicking range. He'll change his stance.
Looks like he might have landed.
Oh! He needs to start looking to
Ah,
finish.
se arrivo magari alla parata, andava a combo, non mi già la parata. Non mi già sì.
Now a knee.
Che cagato. Dai, non mi
Rodriguez got the
va.
tie clinch. Let's see what he can do.
Ma che guardo come NDR, quindi non posso rischiare di pigliare
And he
NDR.
connects there with a punch, so pretty good striking display by him thus far.
He throws everything so straight and so accurate.
Bastardo, questo cringe, che era spammoni di cringe, forse questo può essere. Che erano spammoni di cringe. Dai, ammazzò. Ammazzò. Come on, Zakbai. Christian Decker
Under 2
era
minutes to
forte in Decker,
go
questo
in
mi
a back and
ricordava.
forth first round here.
Mi ricordava che era forte in Decker questo qua.
All right, so he's sort of turtled up here. Not great body language. Perhaps he's trying to bait him in a little bit. Well, anytime you are in a ground fighting situation with this fighter, you're potentially playing with fire. All right, so he postures up here and now figures to rain down some ground strikes.
Yeah, the ground and pound will be aplenty from this position.
Under a minute to go in our opening
Mi
round.
piace in Decker. Raga, mai visto.
27 total strikes have now landed for Yair Rodriguez.
Ah no, mi anticipavo, maledetto. Mi anticipavo. Anticipavo caprata.
Again, the winner here was so aggressive with his onslaught.
Anticipavo caprata.
Ultimately, it appeared as though the outcome was an eventuality, so if you're the referee, you got to protect the fighter, and I thought he did a good job of doing just that.
Stavo partendo magari io.
Bruce Buffer has the official.
E torna, vai. Mia nemesi. Questo che in Qatar mi pare che dopo un gioco combattuto l'ultimo modo da Holloway.
All right, coming up next, a UFC featherweight division fight.
Side.
You ready? You ready?
All right, so here we go with the start of round one. I can tell how excited you are for this matchup. Seems to be a striking advantage on one side, but maybe not.
This is a big-time fight. It feels like a big moment
Dai.
for both of these guys'
Cominciamo,
careers.
questo
Who is
qua
gonna be able
cringe,
to
ma capito
implement
si
their
spammano
game
i
plan
cringe.
the best in this
Ma capito che si
matchup
spammano i
between these
cringe.
two big-time athletes.
Dai.
Single collar tie here.
Vedete, questo cazzo di cringe, Dio Cristo.
Holloway's kick is blocked.
Vabbè, ma capito, si spammano i cringe.
Big punch lands over the top. How's he gonna follow this?
Well, perhaps a sign of things to come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick landed.
Allora, finisce la barra, come cazzo di combinare.
Beautiful strike attempt there as he lands the hook.
Beautiful hook. Really did a great job.
Adesso il dato perché ha imparato un tempo per
un
massacrare. E poi me la reggerò un bastardo.
Oh, looking to land the
Non
leg
funziona
kick,
che uno in
unable
questo
to find the
joystick.
target.
Mi perde sempre la pedata grande, mi perde.
Big powerful punch land. Now he gets back to range.
3 minutes now to go in this one. All right, leading with the power shot there. Nice right hand.
His best punch landed first.
Oh, bleeding from his cheek now. That can't feel good.
Ma perché non si sposta?
Changes his stance.
There's no give on that leg kick. Nice strike. Liver kick.
Mi è piaciuto così, vai. Vabbè, mi è piaciuto così. Mi è piaciuto così. Mi è piaciuto così, pezzi di merda.
Yeah, that right there is a high-level knockout, ladies and gentlemen. Crowd absolutely loving it. Just a
rispetto, come ha fatto
to
rispetto.
end the fight. Landed flush. I'm not even sure his opponent saw it coming. So a huge, huge win for that young fighter here tonight. Well, he's going to enjoy watching this one back. Let's take a look at the replay of the knockout just a moment ago.
It was
The official decision is in.
Vuoi fare una oggi, vediamo che fa. stavamo spartendo. No, non sa cosa. Va bene. Ah, cosa vedi? And the Sborov. A che fare? Oh. Ci sia o non ci sia? Calvin Qatar magari da Daniel Ruger, vai. It's time.
Coming up next, it is a featherweight matchup between Max Holloway and Daniel Hooker.
Ready? Ready?
Right, so here we go with the start of round one.
Senza pugno bastardo. Senza pugno bastardo.
Big time fight. It feels like a big moment for both of these guys' careers. Who is going to be able to implement their game plan the best in this matchup between these two big-time athletes?
Oh, really using his reach advantage as he landed the jab there. Man, it's almost like he's got a range. Oh!
He needs to start looking to finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad.
Hooker gets up, but he looks... Whoa! His opponent squirming like a fish out of water now. The ground and pound is on point. This could very well be the beginning of the end.
This could be the beginning of the end. We've seen some really good ground and pound fighters. This young man is as good as any you've ever seen. Big punch lands over the top. How's he going to follow this one?
25 total strikes have landed for Max Holloway. Huge right hand!
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad.
Ah, se non mi fa saprata. Ah, il ginocchiato stava partendo.
Just over 3 minutes now to go. Whoa!
Dude's hurt. Serve him up. Go get him.
Ah, si è bloccato. No, minchia, meno male. Bravo.
The jab followed by the right hand.
Raga, perché non mi gli atrás, ragazzo?
What a fantastic strike to throw. He's hurt bad, John. He's got to press him.
Bullizzato,
Take
mischino.
that finish down now.
Mischino. Bullizzato. Reggi quittone.
Yeah, that right there is a high-level knockout, ladies and
Io
gentlemen.
su che
Crowd
po' reggi
absolutely loving it.
quittone. Boom, seccavo come una patata. Arranchiamo, cominciamo a perdere. Abbiamo vinto anche abbastanza. Come Vendoni. E vai.
It is a welterweight matchup between Tony Ferguson and Colby Covington.
You ready?
Ready? You ready to fight?
Royal Formula.
All right, so here we go with round one. It is not a question of if, it's a question of when this fight hits the ground. You've got a grappler, a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belt. Most people think we're going to get a grappler's delight tonight.
Yes, we are going to get a grappler's delight, but for the
Oh,
jiu-jitsu
bravo.
player,
Bravo,
for the
bravo.
jiu-jitsu fighter, he cannot allow for himself to constantly be on his back. Because in the grappling realm, not only do these guys possess great submission skills, but the ground and pound. The advancements in the position
No,
is so
yeah.
key to the game.
Cazzi, cosa
He has
girare
to
da fa.
make sure he's not thinking this
Perché
is a
mangia?
jiu-jitsu match,
Perché
this
mangia
is
che
a
è alto?
fight.
Oh, really using his reach advantage there as he lands the punch, DC.
Beautiful kick.
Oh, nice offering there by Tony Ferguson. We'll see if he can follow it up here, champ.
I mean, he usually
Come
does.
on.
He does
Tutto
knock
su di
guys
esso.
off the hook. Tony Ferguson is a guy that has
Aye.
a killer mindset. And when he gets you hurt, he's looking to finish. He's got to be careful dipping his head when he's throwing that jab.
Just misses with the right. He is all about that left kick to
Aye.
the body.
Mi tiene stretto,
And a
maledetto.
nice jab there, champ.
The jab was a lost art in mixed martial arts. Guys have found it. They are fighting.
Ah, piaciuto questo? Piaciuto questo come pressa, merda, così.
Out of range with that one.
Dai, mi ha portato parte da
Just
questa
over
parata,
20
oh.
total strikes and counting have now landed for Colby Covington. Oh, massive head kick there. We'll see if he can finish.
Dai,
Lands there,
cercò.
DC.
He landed that massive shot.
No,
Now he
no, no, no,
needs
non
to
possiamo
find that
troppo passare, non possiamo
shot,
troppo
follow-up
passare.
shot that will finish the fight.
Oh! And now trying to take the back.
Vai,
Oh!
ma io ammazzavo. Ah, paravo.
Now he's on top of him looking for a finish. Oh, he got it back!
Vai, 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 vai.
Maybe so have we. Your winner by
Vai.
TKO.
That was a great performance. Way to land those strikes and go and chase down the finish when you get an opportunity.
Sbam. Ucciderci guarda. Ah, ammazzavo.
Bruce Buffer has the official.
Look at me now. E per il titolo cosa vuoi? Sangue rao. Vai. For the title. Sì, 12 online, qui c'è online. No, compare Bretta, non c'è nessuno online. Look at me now. Come Romero, ma annubbiato fuori, annubbiato ancora che look at me now. Da paura questo. Non la sceglie questo. Si vede, combattente creato. Va bene. Ah, for the title. C'era mia figlia Armando. Platano, ha posto la banana.
All right, coming up next, it's a UFC middleweight division fight.
Come cazzo si chiama? Ma che gli è? Però si prende a cammingiata, no? Scià.
All right, we're in Anaheim, California at Honda Center tonight. A lot of UFC history and championship history inside these walls.
It's so crazy how the UFC has blessed this arena with so many title fights. Ronda Rousey, Kane Brock, Kane Dos Santos, me Jones, me Stipe, Woodley, Cyborg. So many championships have been defended in this arena, and so many championships have changed. And
No, non
in
mi
this
funziona
arena,
R1, devo
tonight
cambiare
you
sto
get to
joystick.
step foot in
Devo cambiare sto
what
joystick,
we
non
call
funziona R1.
Championship City.
Perché se non lo schiaccio con tutte le silenze
Sign
non
of things to
funziona.
come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick landed by the gentleman.
Oh, nice connection with that punch. It's one thing to have an edge and reach. It's
Bravo.
another to take
Bravo.
advantage. Nicely done.
He loaded up there on that high kick.
Both of these guys going all out. High action
non
fight
vediamo.
here. Oh! Oh, you can hear the
Molto
thwack
operato.
from here as he lands another leg kick in DC. Now we're seeing visible damage as that leg starts to redden up.
And now you start to see the damage. And now you start to
Don't
see the
attend
limping of the opponent. Watch as he gets kicked in the leg, he's turning away. He can't even get any pressure on his front leg anymore. He is beat up.
Man.
He needs to start looking to finish now.
Oh, big knee! Well, there are few things more fun to watch in mixed martial arts than these type of transitions and scrambles on the ground.
High-level grappling can really be entertaining.
25 total strikes have landed for Israel Adesanya. Takedown attempts starting to pile up.
Ho sbagliato. No.
Oh, man, he was getting a single down to a high cross. Oh, my God, he switched the law to a high cross, rotated him, and took him for a ride. That was a big takedown.
By close guard now. You gotta be careful though. He's got a lot of submissions off his back. All right, a good ground and pound by him here. Certainly staying busy, and not just busy, but effective.
You can just throw punches to keep the referee off you. This guy is throwing punches to be effective, to throw damaging strikes. He's doing a fantastic job. Check the slick movement where he stuck the leg back in the middle. Now he's gonna try to roll.
Cioè
for
lui sta
a knee bar.
fanno una cosa mia, la sottomissione mia, non sto fanno.
Bye-bye.
Vedete che quando.
He should be defending right now.
Lo sta facendo. Anche lui lo sta facendo.
Not tapping out tonight.
Vai, ci siamo.
Well, he gets up again here, but he looks hurt.
Ai.
How about this kicking game on full display tonight?
Kicks back to back, truly mixing up the target.
Ma perché non mi c'ha la parata di auto? Non mi entra la pedata grande.
So a strong 5 minutes down.
Vaffanculo. Devo cambiare il joystick. C'ho problemi sto joystick. Con i dorsali. Ma vaffanculo.
All right, so a big round for him there, DC. We'll go back and look at some of the highlights. Big knockdown for him. We'll see if he can follow it up.
Ciao
You
Vincenzo.
can see that he was flowing.
Guarda, per il titolo
Everything
che
was
stai
working
lottando.
in accordance to what he wanted
Ah,
it
visto
to be.
potuto vincere
And the moment that it
vince.
showed itself, the moment that the opportunity arrived, he jumped on it.
E fuori il visionario. Non mi esce nei combo, cazzo.
Second round
Non mi esce.
underway. Oh, nice kick right there. Tell the masses. Right thus far.
A casa. Non a casa.
No idea. This fight is
No, bastardo. Bastardissimo.
Oh, he postured up there, gained some valuable separation.
And now the ground is pound starts.
Bastardissimo è stato. Ah, segno.
All right, half guard position here, DC. You
Svantaggio.
have an
Se
extra
c'ha il
pop
giro.
in your step when you
Ma
talk
tu
about fighters working.
ma
out
avessi
this
sotto
out.
che così, ma
I
avessi
like
sotto, vero?
half guard as a top fighter.
boh.
Looking for a guillotine.
Ah, vedo fatto che così la partita, come?
Guillotine.
Ah, dritta da giocare. Infatti, ti sappiasti, manco tempo, raga.
Now he's okay. Now he can escape. He got his foot on the hip, and now he's throwing up a triangle attempt. He's going to try to move his left arm across to get pressure on the choke. Oh, wow. Oh!
this might just be a matter of time. Brilliant submission defense there. All right, right into side control. Upper body strength figures to be put to good use here.
Yes, absolutely. And you got to look for his opponent to turn back into
Już
his
teraz się
face
nie
guillotine.
mnie się
When the
nie
opponent turns to the opposite side, he can take his back, throw his hooks in, try to choke, or flatten him out and just go for the finish.
Oh, significant
zabrał
strike attempt there, but a huge block. Beautiful jab there. It's one thing to have
Aj,
it's
sogno russo.
another to use it effectively.
Vai, che c'ha un giusto. Magari cagao. Bastante.
Slam for him there. Wow.
Magari cagao, così Mavo che vince qui. Mavo che vince che dentro. Vedete?
He's got side control here, DC. You know, he's got
giusto
a lot of different submissions in his arsenal once this fight gets to the ground. Ooh, blocks the shot. Well, his corner was pretty urgent after round one. A little bit lackluster there in that. Oh!
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad.
Back to the feet.
Yeah. Vedi, scande.
You don't know when that leg kick's coming.
Back to the left hand now. Unable to connect.
Già Ranga un poco danneggiato.
Working out of that southpaw stance. Right on the button. Oh, combination lands. You want to talk about one of the strikes.
Ma non dumma dopo tutto questo pugno. Non spiego come non dumma. Non spiego come non dumma. Spiegami come non dumma. Bastardo, come non dumma. Se bevo un po' malato così. Mi raggio Ranga danneggiato. Stai attento.
Action in that round, DC. There was a whole lot of it, including a stunner upstairs that nearly closed the show.
It was a lot of action. It was back and forth action, but the big
magari
moment
sti
was that
cazzi
big strike
takedown
to the head
potenti
that
che non
landed,
mafio per
that put him on
contrastarlo.
wobbly legs, and in survival mode, luckily he made it to the end of that round.
Your striking is got you, and your striking is what's going to get us out of here, all right?
You ready to fight?
Stai attento a Ranga. Io sapevo come portava proprio. Ho sbagliato io che hai fatto avvicinare. Adesso qualcosa sa fare. Ma potesse fottere così, sai? Ma potesse fottere così questo.
Well, you know, I don't like the gi very much, but I have an appreciation and a healthy one for these types of transitions.
You can tell he's been in a gi at some point in his life with the way that he moves so freely.
I'm skipping jiu-jitsu next week, too.
Ha caputo come bloccare Mille.
Touched here repeatedly with these ground and pound strikes from the top. Referee's not going to bail you out. All right, well, he continues to manhandle him here on the ground. Now maybe trying to get to a choke position here, DC.
Déjame pillar la misura, ma pillar intera. Déjame pillar la misura per stare. Guarda che vedo. Avete visto come la regina in base.
Great job getting into your position and finding that beautiful takedown.
Avete visto come la regina.
Just over 3 minutes to go in our third and final round. Back to the feet now. Nice punch. I'm not sure his opponent knows
torna, è solo luogo puoi ir, È l'unica cosa che puoi fare,
Well, you see all the grappling repetitions here. Just beautiful movement, seamless transitions on the ground.
Over and over, these guys are doing things that you see in every
se bloccare, se lo keep, se bloccare, vero? Se bloccare, se lo keep, se
Maybe looking
bloccare.
to hip escape, DC.
Bloccare, se lo keep, se bloccare. E allora dopo se ne prende, e la fine dai.
Securing these takedowns.
Guarda, fine prende. Alla fine, la fine prende.
All right, late in the fight now, DC. The submission specialist clearly is going to be on the wrong end of the scorecards if we get there.
You gotta get going. It
Non
does
vedi un
not
po' che
matter if
resistenza,
you get
vogliamo
hurt
fare.
at the top. It does not matter
un po' che
if you get
resistenza.
guard pass. You gotta just
con
pulling
un
up
più
the
stare
submissions and hope by causing action you can latch onto something to end the fight.
Well, anytime
ma
you're in a
buttare sotto missione,
ground-fighting
ti buttare, ma
situation with this
buttare.
fighter, you're potentially playing with fire. All right, working
Come
inside the
on,
closed guard now.
Io sapevo.
Got armbar. He's attacking it
Io
on.
sapevo che l'avrei buttato bene la sottomissione, l'avrei buttato proprio te. E con che speranza che giocare, se io non abbanaco. Attaccamento, vai.
Armor's
Vai,
been
vai, vai.
isolated, but he picks him up and slams him down.
Vai, ci siamo. Ah, zitta a giocare, bastardo.
Beautiful job to not just turn defense into offense, but also to end up in a dominant position.
C'è finito, vai. L'ultima parata andava faccia la ship.
All right, so the fighters go the distance here tonight, but it went a whole lot better for one of them than the other. Talk us through the replays, champ.
Some decisions
Magari
are
cago una
different
hit,
than
perché
others.
potevo
And
usare
his
una hit,
striking
va.
really did separate him from the competition. He fought so well in the stand-up game that he should get a very easy decision.
All right, the official decision is in. It resides with the venerable Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecard for a decision. All 3 judges scored the contest for 9-28. For the winner by unanimous decision, Israel
Cazzo.
All right, congratulations to him. He is your winner by unanimous decision, and certainly a dominant performance here tonight.
Yeah, he did a great job of just dictating and controlling all the engagements of this fight. His opponent never really had an opportunity to lead the dance.
Terra, ma ha fatto vedere peggio te, cioè, è dura la verità. 29-28. Che da master. Difendiamo subito.
Extra dirty, so ballistic. Bars that make you hit yourself while pissing, asking for forgiveness.
Brescia però non mi fare Brescia.
All right, coming up next, a light heavyweight matchup between Jon Jones and Daniel Cormier. Well, you can argue this is the greatest rivalry in the sport, and it continues here and now. Jon Jones versus Daniel Cormier. I like Johnny Bones tonight. What do you think?
This is one of the biggest fights the UFC can always put on, and if you like Jones, you should. He's 2-0 against Cormier, but Cormier feels he has made the necessary adjustments to finally get his hand raised in this rivalry.
Continues to mix it up, going to the head, mixing in some body shots. Oh, nice job landing the knee there. He's got a lot of size for this division and put it to good use there.
Perché uno non funziona, ragazzi, Buddha.
Big roundhouse now, just misses. Oh, and he connects there. His hands look good tonight.
So fast. I mean, this guy has tremendous hand speed.
Well, perhaps a sign of things to come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick landed by this gentleman.
Oh, nice connection with that punch. It's one thing to have an edge and reach. It's another to take advantage. Nicely done.
Ah, so video.
Just over 3 minutes to go. Knee to the body. And now they are throwing both sides with conviction.
Can't take many of those.
Perché non entra? Perché non entra? Cazzi,
Awesome.
puta.
Nice boxing chops there from Daniel Cormier. We talk so much about the wrestling. Don't sleep on those hands.
Yeah, but it's because of the wrestling that allows these guys, especially a guy like DC, shorter, to manage distance, manage space, and strike.
Just over 20 total strikes have now landed for you, DC. Really timing his shots nicely. Good tempo, very accurate, finding the range with relative ease.
Yeah, he's doing a great job of really overwhelming his opponent with activity.
And a nice jab there, champ.
The jab was a lost art in mixed martial arts. Guys have found it, and they're fighting behind it real well.
Oh, huge kick to the body. "90 seconds to go in our opening round."
Dig and kick.
Oh, spinning back fist. He didn't telegraph that one at all.
Okay.
Has the
Okay,
elbow
thank you.
down.
Bye-bye.
Hard to see if a cut's been opened up,
Spasso.
but gotta think at some point there's gonna be some blood.
You gotta be so close to fight and throw this many elbows back to back. Great job.
Nice punch by DC. Good series of strikes for him there, staying busy and staying accurate.
I mean, the accuracy is unbelievable.
Cazzi, merda.
Bad Johnson. He's gotta
Cazzi,
press him.
merda.
He's gotta go
Che
take that finish down now.
staccao. Staccao. Già si sentiva Piero Fred. Cazzi, merda. Rage buttone.
38 total strikes
Già si
have
sentiva
now
Piero
landed
Fred.
for
Si
DC
sentiva
Daniel
cazzi,
Cormier.
merda. Rage buttoni in merda. Spude mami. Ma l'ha data la difesa, sì, un culaiddo. Cazzi in merda. Culaiddo. Buono su 750.
Africa's always a great time. Donald said all of us live in huts. I tell them we go to Lagos. Why you like to play tough? You really hating cause your pay stuff. Philly women really chilling with me now. I really can't stop saying John. The double M genius back, Mo. See me was sneaking with Fat Boy. See they can sleep on my raps they had. But who really can?
Fatto bene. Ta fai comunque dare. Ci sputa mamino. Oh, 167, 170, no, ma non mi accorgo. Il ranked Stefano, vince il ranked, classificate. Miocic. È sempre Joe Jones mi piglio, lo so. Che c'è un ganno è forte, cazzo. Era Kulanga in jazz. Kulanga in jazz. Kulanga in jazz, cosa pigliate che... Kulanga in jazz. Wow, ma ganno. Oh ma... No, 170 ping, vaffanculo. Mi scudo e controllare la guardia magari. Speriamo che guardi a destra e ne guardi a sinistra. O mai dietro cosa mai.
All right, coming up next, a heavyweight collision between Francis Ngannou and Alexei Oleinik.
Perché Piero ci gioca assai. Questo hai fatto una minchiata, va bene, no, ci siamo qua.
All right, so here we go, round one of this highly anticipated tilt between the strong striker and the decorated grappler. Any chance that these guys mix it up, or are you just expecting they're going to stick to what got them to the dance?
I'm expecting a pretty straightforward approach from both of these fighters. The striker will try to lead with his punches and his kicks, and the grappler will try to time a takedown, time a clinch position so he can start to work towards a lot of those great judo throws that he possesses. Once on the ground, he is in his realm and will start to chase submissions. He needs to start looking to finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad.
Oh, huge left hand from Francis Ngannou. Every time he loads up and extends, you feel like the fight might be ending.
Yeah,
Acho
absolutely.
que não,
The whole
esta
crowd
foi
holds
assim.
their breath,
Right.
right? You hear a big exhale. Every
Ah,
time
cangiare il
Francis
joystick,
loads up,
cangiare sto cazzo di joystick, non c'è se uno, non c'è se uno,
in
non
this
mi scuoto.
advantageous spot.
he
Questo
set it up
è forte sul
beautifully.
cazzo che
Let's
così.
see if he can now take full
Esatto.
advantage of it.
Gets the elbow up into the target.
Ah, questo mi sa che è forte in terra, mi scassi
All right, so he's sort of turtled up here. Not great body language. Perhaps he's trying to bait him in a little bit. All right, he's very comfortable fighting off his back, DC. Now looks like he's trying to hip escape.
Yeah, he's trying to hip escape or
Ma
maybe
non ci
look for a
siamo, non
Kimura
ci
here.
siamo, non è ora.
Oh, so an interesting decision there as he decides to stand up and relinquish the dominant position. Blocks the shot. Looks like it did stun him a little bit.
Oh, he's hurt bad. He's hurt bad, John. He's got to press him. He's got to rotate that
Oh,
win.
wow, what's up?
Oh, look at him.
No.
Jump in to try to get the finish.
Sto cazzo, secondo punto siamo meglio a frutto io.
Posturing up now.
And now the damage is about to start. Got him. You got him.
Ascesiamo, una agita mi
Oh, he's trying to control posture.
Non so,
here.
c'è
Now
proprio
trying to
male
hip
da
escape.
He's just
Questo
trying to
lo
move out of this position off the bottom.
Non so,
A
c'è
lot
questo
of top
che
pressure being applied here as he works out of side control.
Una scesiamo è meglio.
All right, so he postures up here and now figures to rain down some ground strikes.
Yeah, the ground and pound will be a plenty
Una
from
sceso,
this position.
una sceso. Ma guarda qua, ai. Non guarda qua, non sceso, non stiamo sceso.
Well, there are few things more fun to watch in mixed martial arts than these type of transitions and scrambles on the ground.
High-level grappling can really be entertaining.
Guarda che si è accapato.
The horn sounds for the end of
Terra,
round one.
può essere pericoloso. Terra, non ce la a fare fuori, non è questo terra. E di dire a cangiare sto cazzo di joystick è possibile.
All right, so there's the end of the round. He stayed committed to doing damage upstairs and landed a seminal blow in that round.
It was accumulating.
Round two, Francis Ngannou versus Alexei Oleinik. Man, striking class is in session. Beautiful punch there.
Great job landing. What a damaging punch.
Oh, no, mi piace bene andare come un scemo. Che
He's in
fu?
trouble.
Ah,
He's
si è
hurt
bloccato. Si è bloccato. Ora si stacca. Attorno cominciò a fare sta cosa. Via Sara non la faceva. Attorno cominciò a fare sta cosa e si stacca. Ah, fa ancora. Anzi con un mago, vabbè. Forte inganno, però minchia sogno senza pieghe. Zero pieghe. Mi piace. Non mi piace, non mi sto pigliando ora che... No.
Okay. Okay, well, thank you. Bye-bye.
Nuovo piglio, quando ancora il gran campione Casey Duvausel Capone. Thank you so much. E vai, copri. Alessandro Svo. Ah, bellissimo, visto l'ultimo incontro di Overeem che era completamente fuori forma, mischino devastato, era l'ultimo incontro della carriera, dopo tipo 50-60 incontri che ha fatto.
Coming up next, it's a
Però
heavyweight
proprio
clash between
non teniamo
Alistair
ancora la
Overeem
ditta, ma magari
and Alexander
sta in
Volkov.
forma.
Good to have you with us tonight from T-Mobile Arena, the home of the NHL's Vegas Golden Knights, and the building in which DC shocked some of the MMA world at UFC 226, but this venue will always have a special place for you.
This venue holds a special place in my heart.
Whoa!
listen, he's got to go chase that finish down now.
Oh! Timing his shots nicely here, champ.
He's doing a great job of mixing everything up.
Ah,
and
sbagliato.
a lot of reverse strikes. He's hurt bad. Look at how he turns his hip over when he throws that kick.
Ne scopriamo troppo.
Big left hand there.
Oh, ma cosa ha canziato? Si ha canziato una cosa assurda, ragazzi.
Offensive fight, nice job to block the shot there. Splits the guard, lands the right hand. Both fighters throwing heat now. And that one was heavy. Three minutes. So just over. Oh, that's a seminal blow right there, DC. He's rocked.
That was a beautiful hook. It landed perfectly, and it hurt his opponent very bad.
Sbagliando, mi stai facendo pressare senza motivo.
Good series of strikes by him there.
Great job of mixing it up, being active, keeping busy, doing great work.
Try to establish that jab.
Ooh, what a punch.
Nice hand speed
non riesco a
and
prendere
combination there
il
from
tempo, ma ho vita
Alexander
sempre
Volkov. We talk a lot about length and reach in MMA. This guy knows how to use it. Takedown landed now by Overeem. Yes. Oh, he postured up there, gained some valuable separation.
And now the ground and pound starts.
Working off of his back here. Looks like he may try to hip escape.
Oh, look at him jumping in to try to get the finish. Big kick land.
Trying to establish that jab once again. Oh, nice straight there. I guess that's the quickest way to the target, right? Just throw straight.
Straight down is always best.
Si è armato che ha parato, Duoco si è armato che ha parato, Duoco. Guarda, guarda che scippava, schifo.
Back to the feet. So we crossed the 30-second mark in our opening round. Man, he is so sound defensively. Nice job to raise the guard there.
It's the relaxation that allows him to see things coming and block most of the strikes that are coming at him. Big, powerful punch land. Now we get back to range.
Lo uso l'ultimo non morire. No, stai usando personaggi che non so mai, quindi mi escono mosse tipo una manco canuscio.
All right, so there's the end of the round. Few things in MMA more devastating than a head kick, and so 5 minutes in the can, DC. Now we get to our second round. Alistair Overeem. On the other side, Alexander Volkov. Volkov gets caught with that punch. He's treading water now. Gotta find a way to move those feet. Strike lands there, DC.
He landed that massive shot. Now he needs to try to find the next shot, the follow-up shot that will finish the fight.
Much improved defensively as he blocks the shot. 48 total strikes have now landed for Alistair Overeem.
Mama, mi fregavo.
Fantastic strike to throw at the exact right moment. He deserves this moment. Go finish this fight.
Mamma, mi ha fregato.
Well, he has landed some good shots, DC, but really unable to string anything together in terms of solid combinations.
It's because he's not committing to it fully. He throws his jab. He may float a right hand out there, but he's not really sitting down with the right hand. He really doesn't seem to have the intent on landing it. He's got to be confident that it's going to land, and he's got to really throw his whole entire body into the strike.
And he landed the right hand there. Just misses with the straight right.
Ooh, head kick lands.
Buono. Siamo stanchi.
Man, as he landed. Whoa!
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad.
Back to the feet. Volkov gets stung by that leg kick.
cosa.
Oh!
Sa però torno, incredibile. È stato a morte, è stato a morte, è stato a morte. Che cazzo.
He mercifully stopped the fight. A great
Passeggiatina.
stoppage and a great performance by this young man.
Io Overeem, proprio. Olandese volante.
Okay. Okay, well, thank you.
Emanuele, c'è un pare. Oh. Tutto cose si è tortato.
All right, we now go inside the octagon. Bruce Buffer to wrap it with the
Che
official
contento.
decision.
Overeem.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Dead.
referee Eve.
La seconda difesa del titolo. 10 gemme a Bengadà. Sì. L'incontro abbastanza dominato, dai, a oggi. E ci vediamo per la terza. E poi o vinciamo o perdiamo. Mangio qualcosa d'orecchio. Che è? Mezzanotte e 20. Overeem mi si è pigliato, dopo no. È meglio che Piero. Però no. Shut up.
So much money, I don't know what to do with it.
Coming up next, it's a heavyweight collision between Alistair Overeem and the Reem, Alistair Overeem.
Sembra. Bastante.
Ready. You ready to fight?
Round one is upon us between two of the best fighters in this division. Hard to find anything resembling a glaring weakness on either side when you break down.
There are no weaknesses in these guys. These guys are as well-rounded as they come. They both can wrestle, both can grapple, both can strike.
Aye.
They can do it all. And these are the matchups that we dream of as MMA fans.
Non sottovalutiamo
big
questa saga.
Lands a big right hand early.
Dai.
Couple of chins here being tested early.
Quest'anno su Shaka non lo saccio con me.
Knee to the body.
Big liver kick lands under the elbow.
Dai.
Oh, huge block.
Big punch lands.
Sti cazzi, merda, questi cazzi di ginocchiate M. Ah no, non lo pigliavo.
Nice knee to the midsection there. Wow, that right punch has been the money weapon for him tonight, and he landed it again there.
If his opponent does not change something, he will continue to throw the strike.
Whoa!
He needs to start looking to finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad.
Era solo senza
And he comes through
resistenza
with a big knee.
a fermare.
Knee to the body. Just over 20 total strikes have now found the target for Alistair Overeem. Well, he continues to do a nice job here defensively protecting the head and sort of maybe letting his opponent gas out a little bit.
Avanti e non già su montante, certo, giusto,
Dude's hurt. Serve him
giusto.
up. Go get him.
Big damaging knees here to the body. Oh, man, I'm not sure his opponent.
Right now, he's seeing Tweety Bird over the top of his head. He's taking a look.
No, l'ultimo pugno che suena, sono un coglione. Era l'ultimo pugno quello.
Overeem gets back up,
Ultimo pugno.
back into his comfort zone. Right hand on point. Right on.
Certo.
Strike
Ho
right
visto.
there. I'm not sure how many more of these his
Io ho
opponent
visto
can
e
take.
no.
Massive shot that he landed. Great job.
Looked like it did stun him a little bit.
L'ho visto e non va bene.
All right, he's got the feet on the hips now, DC, in a pretty good position to get out, I would think, if he so chooses.
Absolutely. This is the ideal position for escaping. Now, you're not going to get a submission off or anything like that, but you having your feet on your opponent's hips, it just allows you to build a push. You just push with your feet, elevate your opponent's hips away from you, and then you just get a jiu-jitsu escape. Push your hands back, hip heights up, back to your feet. Now we're back to fight.
So he's really starting to put together some significant body shots here. These are going to take their toll as this fight goes on.
Ooh, what a punch.
Horn sounds from the end around. All right, here we go with round two. Alistair Overeem. And on the other side, Alistair Overeem. Overhand punch to the head, blocked though by the Reem. Big knee there. Land right there.
Non mi ma che fare fottere sempre con pugno. Bevi un pugno attorno, con pugno.
Well, he has landed some good shots, DC, but really unable to string anything together in terms of solid combinations.
It's because he's not committing to it fully. He didn't like that left hand.
Back to the feet. Big knee to the body. Now a knee. Oh! Straight right hand, no good.
Look at him working at trying to shut the liver down. These are bad.
Continuo sto series al solito.
Gets up again here, but he looks well, he continues to do a nice job here defensively, protecting his head, raising the guard, and really frustrating the offensive fighter a little bit.
Lesson one, hands up, head down.
Six strikes, all fades upstairs, flush to the body.
When they land perfect, that is the reaction you're hoping to get. That landed perfect in this fight. They can stop very soon.
Sto fottendo la partita, pezzi di merda che non si auto. No, sono arrivato di un po', inutile. Sono arrivato.
Well, you see all the grappling repetitions here. Just beautiful movement, seamless transitions on them.
Over and over, these guys are...
Ma vinci perché me la fotte. Non per altro. Ma vinci perché me la fotte. Ma perché me la vinci.
Now goes in and secures the takedown. Gets up again here, but hurting.
Dai. Lo so, troppo stanco. Troppo stanco. Troppo stanco. Vai. Troppo compromesso, troppo compromesso sono ormai. Però ci avessi potuto vincere 100 viaggi. Dai, ammazzavo stavolta. Sono messo troppo male ormai. Troppo male sono messo. Ormai è punto che dobbiamo portare in ballo. No, non ti bloccare ora. Non ti bloccare ora. Vedevamo i punti qua, avevo vinciuto. È stato lui bravo a osservare la stamina. E io coglione a non vincere il ciclo prima. Sempre un pugno tipo. Dai, ma perché? Che cazzo è successo? Ma dai, ma come? I primi 2 round miei, il terzo forse suo, perché è stato bravo a tirare sulla prima blocco. Offline, ma che cazzo è successo? Who brings a composition to the competition? There's gonna be some consequences when I'm E tutte cose che lo bloccavo. Anzi che non mi ha tolto la cintura. Oh ragazzi, io mi fermo qua in mezz'oretta e mezza. Non lo so se torno fra una mezz'oretta, fra un'oretta al massimo, o se per stasera gli finito. In questo momento io gli fame, hai fatto un'oretta e mezza. Begli incontri, cintura, difese. E ci vediamo dopo. Bye bye.